Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. How are you? Let's learn alphabets of Quran. Okay, what's this? Alif, Ba. Ba has one dot down. Ta. Ta has two dots up. Tha. How many dots Tha has? One, two, three. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. So, let's repeat them. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. When you say Tha, you have to take the tip of your tongue out a little bit and press with the upper teeth. Tha, Tha. Three dots up. Then we have three brothers. Jim. Jim has one dot down there in its tummy. Ha. Ha has no dot. Kha. Kha. Where is the dot? Kha has dot up there. One dot up. Jim. Ha. Kha. Let's do it again. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Kha. Who knows it already? Let's see. Alif. Ba. Ba has one dot down. Ta. How many dots Ta has? Two dots up. Tha. Three dots up. Wow. I think you already know it. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Kha. Let's revise once more. Alif. Ba.